So it's vlog number 10. It's 10 till 9 right now. About to grab breakfast with my grandparents and it's raining out. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
For him, he's super with everybody. You gotta be proud of him. Really proud. That's why he's a good man.
Yeah, he is a good man.
Yeah.
But doing it daily is something that you can really improve
Okay.
on. Hey everyone, just got back from breakfast with my grandparents. I finished the book Crushing It last night. It was awesome. I'm definitely going to listen to that book again. Audiobooks are where it's at, guys. Also, I'm trying to get certified in Google AdWords and Facebook Blueprints, Hootsuite, all of that online digital marketing, SEO, data analytics stuff. Another thing that I'm trying to learn is Malay, Cantonese, and Mandarin. Not trying to be completely fluent, but conversationally fluent. So any tips on that, comment below, and you guys can follow me along in my journey of learning multiple languages.